and welcome. Now, in order to create faceless videos on a regular basis, you're typically going to have a combination of tools. All of those tools, whether you choose to use AI or whether you don't, are going to have pricing associated with them. Typically, you will see a free trial. And the free trial is what you want to use in order to evaluate the tool to determine if it's one that you are going to want to use. And all of the free trials are going to be structured in a different way. Typically, if you're going to use the free plan, the videos that you create are going to be watermarked, so you won't be able to use free trials indefinitely in order to create videos and to monetize them effectively. Typically, once you have determined by using the free trial if it's a tool that you're going to want to use, you will typically need to move to a paid plan of some kind, again, depending on the combination of tools that you're going to use. Now, not all faceless videos are going to require a cloud-based AI in order to create them. In some cases, you can use a software and video rendering program like Camtasia Studio in order to construct your video. You may want to create a hand-drawn video that does not rely on AI, such as Sparkle Video Scribe. You'll also see tools that extend from the video editing feature of certain platforms. So it's a good idea to test the combination of tools that you'll need in order to create the videos that you want. And of course, when you need assistance with screen designing as well as video scripts, you can use a chatbot like Claude or ChatGPT in order to help you. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.